has changed completely and for the better a million times over. God, I don't even know where I would be if we never met.
What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram profile on the bottom left. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And by the end of this video, if you enjoy it, give me the thumbs up. Alright, I am here at work, and if you didn't know, today is Thursday, which means Supreme Drop, and this week is week number 12 of Spring and Summer 2018, and the collaboration for this week is between Supreme and Fox Racing. And if you watched my previous video, which is linked up in the card above, you'll know that I'm pretty excited about this week's drop. And in the video, I pretty much go through the different items that they're releasing this week pertaining to the Fox and Supreme collaboration. And this week's item I'm going for are the goggles. Now the goggles, they are retailing for about $168 with $10 shipping, and they come in 3 different colorways: the blue and yellow, the all black, and then the red and white. The objective today, the red and white. Now, you know how Supreme drops go. If your plan A doesn't work out, you have to have a plan B. So plan B is to go for the jersey, the black and white one. But we'll see what happens, and there's really no plan C. If you don't get one of the 2 items that you were going for, most likely it'll be sold out by the time you get to potential plan C. So it is almost about 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, so I'm going to head back to my desk and get ready for this drop. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I don't use bots. Everything is manual checkout, and so I get onto the website maybe 2 to 3 minutes before the drop happens, and I know where the goggles are going to be. It's going to be in the 8th placeholder, so I have my cursor over the 8th placeholder, and I just wait for the drop to happen. So I'm just refreshing the page, and here's the drop: red goggles, add to cart, check out now, and hopefully my autofill settings go through, hitting my name, hitting my credit card, making sure the expiration date is correct this time because last time it was not, entering CVV code, checkbox, process payment, and hopefully I can secure it this time. I think I'm doing all right. Processing, crossing fingers, and looks like I secured them. Alright guys, so you saw that I was able to cop the goggles, the red goggles specifically. I'm pretty excited for it. I did try to go and catch some other stuff like the jersey, but those all sold out. Looking on the Supreme community app, the sellout times were pretty fast, and the goggles didn't go as fast as I thought they would have. It looks like the helmet and the jerseys went out first. The goggles, the red one specifically, went out in 22 seconds, and then the green or the yellow and blue goggles sold out in 15 seconds. But yeah, I thought it would have been under like 10 seconds, and I'm really pissed at myself because I kept telling myself before the drop that bags would probably restock on this one, and they did, and I just forgot to check the bag section, so I pretty much suck. So what were you able to cop during week 12? Let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you enjoyed this video, hit me up with a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and we'll check you next time. Cheers.